I created a full cafe launch presentation in seconds. I just typed one prompt in Gamma, and it generated slides, content, and design. Then I edited it and made it my own. Smart work beats hard work. Hi, in this video you will learn how to make a presentation in Gamma using a single prompt. I'm giving a single line prompt here, but the detailed prompt is provided in the description. You can take from there, give a prompt, hit generate, and boom! Your full presentation is ready. Edit it, customize it, change its color, theme, style, etc. Download it, present it. No design skills, no stress, just smart work. Follow for more AI shortcuts.